Hey Wagwan, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing how to claim your artist profile on Spotify. If you're interested in the video, make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm KIDAAX KLEIN, aka Superstar Trap Boy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Let's get into the video if you're interested. Okay, this is how the Spotify for artists website looks like. I'll drop the link in the description below. Make sure you have released music to Spotify earlier through a music distributor, and make sure you have an account with them on Spotify. Now the first thing you're going to do is click on get access to Spotify for artists. You artist or manager, label team manager. Let's click on artist or manager right away. Okay, sorry for the delay. It's loading, it's processing. Okay, claim an artist profile, then click on continue. This Spotify account here, you know what, I told you to sign up earlier. I have to sign up on Spotify earlier, so I click on next. And if you know the account, you can change the account. Now what profile are you claiming? Then I search for the profile I want to claim. You can also input a URL over there. Also input a URL, an URL of the Spotify account you want to claim. But over here I don't have the URL here, so I have to input the artist name I want to claim. KIDAAX KLEIN. Okay, I have it over here, like claim it. And that's how to go about it. Actually, I've claimed my artist profile earlier, so that's why it came over here that this artist profile has already been claimed. But yours would come like this. Yours will come like it will go on pending, and Spotify for artists will notify you when you are granted access to your account. They will send you an email to know if you have claimed your artist profile successfully. Thanks for watching that amazing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a like if you find it very interesting. Click on the red subscribe button once again if you haven't done that, and the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop content like this. Peace.